Welcome to our comparison of two popular beard trimmers, the Andis 04780 Professional T-Outliner and the SHPAVVER Electric Beard Trimmer. In this video, we will explore their features, specifications, and pros and cons to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive in. The Andis T-Outliner operates on a corded power source, providing consistent power during use, which is ideal for professional settings. In contrast, the SHPAVVER trimmer is cordless, offering greater mobility and convenience, especially for home use or travel. This difference in power source can significantly impact your grooming experience. When it comes to versatility, the SHPAVVER trimmer shines with its 16-in-1 grooming kit, which includes multiple attachments for various grooming tasks. On the other hand, the Andis T-Outliner is designed primarily for trimming and lacks additional attachments, making it less versatile for different grooming needs. The Andis T-Outliner comes with essential features such as a durable carbon steel blade and bump-free technology, making it reliable for professional use. In contrast, the SHPAVVER trimmer boasts advanced features like an LED display, waterproof design, and a safety lock, enhancing its usability and convenience. In conclusion, both the Andis T-Outliner and the SHPAVVER Electric Beard Trimmer have their strengths and weaknesses. If you prefer a professional-grade corded trimmer, the Andis is a solid choice. However, if versatility and advanced features are what you seek, the SHPAVVER may be the better option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.